I just picked this up, always looking for some new little gadget. I wondered if this would be of any help. I don't know if it's S-H-A-R-P-A-L. I don't know if it's Sharpal or Sharpall or Sharple, but it is an angle pyramid, sharpening angle guide set. Orange is magnetic base, and that's what I'm going to be using today, and the black is a rubber base for stone. I'm going to take my buck Selkirk, I want to sharpen it today, and I am going to dangerously cut into this plastic and free the orange pyramid. Let's see if I can get this tip in there without stabbing myself. Well, I'll just start from this corner. Wow, that is some serious thick plastic. There we go. We're going to get this out of here, and it'll be fun to see how much of this gets edited out. So, I butchered that pretty good. Let's see if we can free this thing out of here. I should have attacked it from the front, perhaps. Okay, I like to sit just holding this free style. What I'm going to do is actually see what angle this buck Selkirk already is set for, and I would say 25 is a little bit steep. It looks like it's more like a 20. So the idea is, and this is magnetic, the idea is that I use that for a guide to start my knife off. So I could see where that works, but only to launch me. I am so used to muscle memory, freehand, that I find this kind of just gets in the way. I seek to feel the angle of the cutting edge with my hand, and then just stick with that while I sharpen. I enjoy watching people's videos on making knives and sharpening knives, and I realize that I do what works for me, and I realize that I've perfected this. I wouldn't call it perfect, but I have learned this technique over years. But I really do just feel for where the edge rests on the stone, maintain that, and then feel for my results, and sure enough, there it is. I'm going to give it just a little bit of well, feels even. I can feel the edge all the way around. I'm not sure that it will cut hair. Oh yeah, it did, right there. Shaved that little spot right there. Wow, I got skin on that one. Perhaps this is not what everybody wants to hear, but sharp enough for me. I was hoping to get something that would tell me the angles of some of my knives, and this is going to do that, especially for 20, 25, 14, or 17. But then in the end, I'm not sure what that information does for me. I hope you like it, and subscribe, comment. Do you sharpen like that? Do you like these gadgets? Yeah. Do you see the blood right there? My Selkirk caught my skin.